Man, 'cause I'm gonna put music to it so that way we don't hear ourselves talking or whatever. It's a lot of detail in there, man.
Yeah.